ago there lived a king on a little island. In the sea, he was a kind king who greatly loved his island. People he always wished to be of help to them. The little island was beautiful with its mountains and lowlands. The mountains were so large that they looked like great walls going to the sky. The king's people live in the lowlands.
Ano lowlands?
Lowlands.
Go.
The king's people lives in the lowlands of the island. The mountains were too high for them to climb up and down. The mountains always get plenty of rain, but the lowlands did not. There were times when the ground became very dry. One day, the people went to the king and told him that they were in trouble. Trouble. There had not been enough rain lately.
Go.
Saan ako?
Napagod na?
No!
Oh, bilisan mo.
Lately, to keep their plants growing, this made the king greatly worried. The worried king walked in the garden to think the mountains always have plenty of water. He thought to himself, if only the lowlands could get some of that water, they would have plenty too. As the king sat in the garden, he heard a little voice saying, "King of the island, why are you so troubled?" "Who are you?" asked the king. "I am the king of the dwarf." Dwarf. "From high mountains," said the little man. "I am unhappy because my people have no water for their plants," said the king. The dwarf offered help, but with a condition.
Bilisan mo na.
Condition. Promise to give each of my men a fish. For 3 months, and we will dig a ditch.
Go muna.
We will dig a ditch for you from the mountains," said the dwarf. Bring up the fish to the mountains, and the men will wait for you at the head of the ditch. The king agreed, so he called his men to catch many fishes. And next morning, when the island people got up, they found a big ditch coming down from the mountains. The ditch was already full of water for the dry plants. The men and woman were happy.
Meron ka ba dito picture?
Anong picture?
Oh, ito. Beach.
Beach?
Canal. From